Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious curry. First, select your main protein, such as 500 grams of chicken or 400 grams of chickpeas, and ensure all your vegetables are prepped. You'll want about 2 cups of chopped onions and 1 cup of bell peppers. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This foundational step is key to a successful and flavorful dish. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add finely minced ginger and garlic, cooking until fragrant, which usually takes about 1 minute. Next, stir in your curry powder, turmeric, and a pinch of chili powder, allowing them to toast for about 30 seconds to release their full aroma. This step builds the deep flavor profile of your curry. Once your spices are fragrant, add your protein and vegetables to the pot, stirring to coat them evenly. Then, pour in the coconut milk and vegetable broth, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the protein is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. Finally, taste your curry and adjust the seasoning as needed, adding salt, pepper, or a squeeze of fresh lime juice for brightness. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro before serving your delicious homemade curry over fluffy rice or with warm naan bread. It's perfect for a cozy meal. And hey, for staying refreshed while cooking or anytime, check out the Oala water bottle and other great deals linked in the description below. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.